Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to fetch products from a Shopify store in our custom Node.js app. So before diving into the code, make sure you have access scope of right products. So in the shopify.app.custom.app.-app.toml, write the scope to write products, and then run the command Shopify app deploy. That will override the settings. And now let's go to the app, then go to the route, and then click on the app.jsx. Copy this one. This is the sidebar link, and we will copy that to create a new route link, and we'll name that products. And products over here. Then we will create a new file in the routes app.products.jsx. In this file, we are going to call some React modules. So let me just copy and paste the modules we need. We need use loader data, use fetcher from Remix run React. Then we need JSON from React Remix run Node, and authenticate from Shopify server to authenticate our request. Then Polaris modules, the component of Polaris, page layout, text guard, etc. So these are the components we need. Then we will write the loader function. Loader function runs automatically when we load the page, and in this loader function we will have the request object, and we will authenticate our request with the admin, and then with that admin we can make the GraphQL query, and we will fetch the first 10 products, and in that product we will have the ID, handle, status, images, etc. This is the simple GraphQL query, and then we will get the response, and we will pass that response to our React page. So this will run on the backend. And now let's write the front-end code. In the front-end code, we will have export function. We have a products, and here we get the data from use loader data, which is coming from here, all the products, and we save that here. Then we have a fetcher for the delete products, and then we have a product variable. We save the data.products.edges on here. Then we will loop through these products, product.map, and we'll pass the node as a product. And in that array, we will have a thumbnail. In the thumbnail, we pass the product image, then product title, product status, then product variants, edges, price to show the price. Then we have the edit button. In the edit button, we are just simply redirecting the product to the actual product page in the admin. And for deleting, we are using this handle delete function to delete the product. And here in the return function, we are showing the full page layout, then card, and the product list, then the data table. This will display all the products. We have 6 text field and image, title, status, price, and edit. So let's save that and go to our store and go to the custom app. It takes some time to load, authenticating our request. So don't worry about the code. I will give you this code in the description. So it is loading. Sometime if it doesn't load, you can press P again from the command prompt. and then your app will be loaded quickly. Then click on the products. And now you can see we have first 10 products of our store. And if I go back here and make 20 products, you will see we have the 20 products now. And if I change to 5 products, save that, and you will notice we have 5 products. And this is how you can fetch the products from your Shopify store. In the next video, we will see how to edit and delete the products from our custom map. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.